Oh, wow. Oh my. No, Fred, I will not tell him about the pimple. Why'd you even bring that up? Fred, you are embarrassing me. Why are you just so embarrassing? Oh, my kitty, she's my best friend. This my friend, this my friend. Here I have. I'm so alone. Yes, I do have this up to the TV, and I'm looking at the TV. But I can do random shit. I just got done drinking 4 Yoo-Hoos. This, I'm grabbing this shit, whatever the shit it is. I don't give a fuck what it is. It tastes like really good. What's in it? Total fat, 1.5 grams. That little bug. Do ingredients. High concentrate corn syrup, water, sugar, chocolate syrup. There's actually milk in this. Just think they don't refrigerate this all the time. Disgusting. Cinnamon. Come here. Come here. Oh, my baby. Oh, come here. Oh. No, I won't stop looking at that TV. It's hypnotizing. Okay. Now. Fred. That is disgusting. Don't discuss what we did last night. Don't do that here. No. No. Don't you dare speak of this. I said, ow. God damn it. Yeah, I'm in the FFA. I am the chaplain of the Conway chapter. Ooh. Amazing. I live in Conway, Arkansas. So, enough about me. Tell me in my comment center down below about yourselves, where you're from, and if you like this, I will continue making these. I will try to look in the camera. Yes, I'm a redneck. I have the camera sitting in the glass, sitting on a stand-up fan for my stand here, so, no. Oh, I can do a Fred voice. Yes, my voice does sound squeaky now. Hi, it's Fred. Yeah, I just did that shit, bitch. God, I need to stop looking at that fucking TV. Okay. Oh, wow, let's count numbers. Look at my kitty. Like a rash right here. I don't know what it is, but I think here's something. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm a bowler. Damn. Hi. This is like fun. Oh my god. What else? I can't think. I can't think. I can't think. I can't think. Random dancing time, I think. Oh wait. Back up. Busy. Let's see what I have in my iPod. Yeah, the new iPod Net camera. I'm just using this because it doesn't do it right. Now it has better quality to me. I need to stop looking at the screen. Oh, there it is.
New Cupid, New Cupid.
That's a good dance.
MR.jay.
I need to move the camera. Oh crap, you can see my dirty room. Oh well. Shit, let's try on. Okay, let's try this again. Father. I'm picturing you. To the left, to the left, to the left. How did this get in the floor? That was dumb. Get the heck. I'm gonna get you out of my dirty room now, setting. I'm gonna repair this little issue. Come here. Oh crap, it turned weird. Fuck. Shit. Okay, setting up. Brad, did you like my dancing? Hypocrite. Shouldn't talk to me like that. Don't you dare talk about my mom. No, your mom's a bush. Don't you dare talk about my mom. Okay, Fred, I will hurt you. I will. Oh my nose. I think it's bleeding. Nah. I'm alive. I'm alive anyway. I love this practical shoot. How long is this one good? Holy crap, I've been going for one. Well, press this on until infinity. Don't forget to leave comments down in the comment center. Down there. Yes. Right there. At my feet. Oh, that comment tickled my foot. Okay. Don't forget to leave comments down in the comment center. Tell me if you like this video. What could be different? What could I do in the different videos? What is possible for me to do? I mean, God, give me a voice to try and do. I will do. Cinnamon, stop being an attention hog. See, my pretty cat wants to say hi. Hi, pretty, hi. Oh, she's ow, ow. Claw me, stupid bitch. Okay. Bye.